Come and get your pancakes. Come and get a drink special, snow cone. Okay, so I realized from last year when I was riding around with my friend Thad in the burbs, like burbs, and I'm talking about like this, ooh, like all around in here, because this is all playa, right? This is all like playa around here, and that's the man. And then anyway, so all of this around here, these guys here, this is the burbs, okay? So in the burbs, you're gonna have camps, and those camps are gonna have people standing outside, and they've got bullhorns, and they're saying, hey, come join us for pancake breakfast. Come get beignets and wine at sunset. Come do this, come do that, They are really inviting you into their home. They really would like you to come in and join them because that is what they have brought out to Playa. Now, if you're looking for something specific, say that you want cereal, you can look through so when you come through the gate, they're going to give you a guide. Look at this amazing guidebook. And so you can go through this guidebook and you say like, oh gosh, I really, really want coffee. And look, there's like 3 camps here. Oh, there's one with high tea as well. High tea, ooh, ice cold face mask. I didn't see that one. But there's also coffee. There's mimosas. There's food, pancakes. See, there's pancakes. Pancakes in here for the morning. You can find these certain things, but you also are going to find camps that are actually inviting you in too. And it's super fun. You get to meet new people or not meet new people and just have what they have to offer. Like we got a snow cone last year. We got bacon. It was fun. I always enjoy it. And then you move along. It's great. You can also do like a camp harp. Camp hop. You can go camp hopping with some of your friends or your campmates or something and go along and see what each camp has to offer. Now, just remember that these camps brought this is their gift to Playa for burners like you.